Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in the Canvas component of our English 100 classroom. We are here in home. Let's see what we have for this week. We have the week 11 message from Nunu. You are watching it and listening to it now. Scrolling down, we have our class notes. You just need to click on them to learn what we've been doing throughout the semester and where we are right now. I'm going to click back on home to get into our bulletin board here. We have a link to week 11 in modules, April 15th to the 21st. We have the Essay 2 revision, Essay 3, Online Journal 10. We're finishing up on Charles Bukowski, and we're going to start reading and explaining white privilege to a broke white person for the last part of our lab. We have a big photo of Charles Bukowski himself, the poet here and the writer. And we also have a reminder of when my office hours are here, 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. And we have our class pedagogy, teaching method, and grading system workshopping the essay policy here. I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to click on syllabus and then on the instructor and course information to remind you that all the different ways to reach me are listed right here if for any reason you can't make it to class. So I'm clicking back to home. We are here on our bulletin board with our weekly work, and I'm going to remind you that I'm in inbox 2, and I look forward to seeing you today.